Good morning, treasurers. This is your host Parthesh Shah from Fintech, and you are listening to Night Snippets. Here is what you need to know before going into trade for 29th April 2022. In the international market, no major movement in the US bond markets was seen, and trading was range bound. US 10-year is now at 282 percentage points. If we talk about the yield curve flattening, then the US 5-year is trading at 284, US 10-year is trading at 282, and US 30-year is trading at 289 percentage points, which means US 5 to 30-year treasury yields are within 10 basis points. In the crude oil market, crude is trading at $107.70 per barrel. Short-term range for crude is 105 to 112. In the currency market, dollar index continues to become stronger. The other currencies, the euro, the Japanese yen, are all bleeding heavily. Dollar index is now trading at 103.42. DXY is today's range 103.09 to 103.56. We expect that we do anticipate and expect that the dollar index has become too strong now in a too short span of time, and there is too much overbought position which needs to get corrected, but that will take some time. In the USD/CNY Chinese yuan is at 662. USD/INR with a low of 76.71 closed at 76.48, resistance at 76.40 and support at 76.90. In the trading strategy for USD/INR will continue to weaken for some more time, but the pace will be slow. Knight Research expects USD/INR at 76.50 to 76.90 levels for this week. Medium term outlook for rupee looks dim, and it can cross 78 very soon. Do not build any short positions for USD/INR. We will update you. We do expect the USD/INR to correct and reach 78 pretty soon. In the domestic market, there was some profit booking happening before Friday's Gsec auction. The market is now anticipating a cap of 715 for 10-year benchmark. Hence, before today's Gsec auction, market corrected itself from 708 to 715 for 10-year benchmark. 563/2026 closed at 648 versus 644. The yields rose by 4 basis points for a 5-year security. 654/2032, which is a 10-year benchmark, closed at 715 versus 708, which means a 7 basis point rise in yields. 667/2035 closed at 733 versus 729, 4 basis points increase. In the 14-year segment, the trading range for 654/2032 seems to be 713 to 718. Gsec auctions are there, and we expect the auctions to be weak. Knight Research view: our advice to sell off the positions for HTM AFS shifting turns out right. Gsec auctions will bring some more volatility today as well. We expect the market to weaken today as well for the Gsec auctions. SDL spreads are too low, with the lack of any new fresh issuances from the states, and hence we suggest you to exit your SDL positions until June. That's it for today. See you next week with the new episode from Night Snippets.